In Germany's fast-moving business environment, projects don't fail overnight, they fail when structure, communication, and method break down. That's why modern German organizations rely on structured project management combined with agile thinking to deliver faster, safer, and smarter. Inside this course, you learn how real projects succeed in Germany, combining structured project management with Agile, Scrum, and hybrid delivery to ensure speed, control, and results. You also master compliance, planning, risk, and leadership skills needed to deliver projects effectively in real German business environments. You learn how to turn complexity into control using agile, predictive, and hybrid approaches aligned with German laws, compliance standards, and workplace reality. Whether you are a professional, manager, or beginner, this course gives you the tools to lead projects confidently in Germany's modern work environment.